Let's take a look at how easy it is to add or remove a hinge restrictor clip. Restrictor clips are great for end cabinets which butt up against the wall or another cabinet. They help protect your walls and other cabinet doors, avoid damage by neighboring doors. Restrictor clips are virtually invisible and are easily removed. To install the clip, first, detach the hinge from the cabinet frame. To do this, remove the hinge screw and pull the hinge away from the frame stile. To insert the restrictor clip, wrap the hook around the bar inside the hinge. Then move the hinge back to its original position on the frame stile, and tighten the screw to reattach the hinge to the frame. To remove the restrictor clip from the hinge, detach the hinge from the cabinet frame and pull the hinge away from the frame stile. Use the tip of your screwdriver or another tool to unclip the restrictor clip inside the hinge and remove it. Then move the hinge back over the frame stile and tighten the screw to reattach the hinge to the frame. To identify which hinge has the restrictor clip installed without removing the hinge, look closely at the arc in the hinge. You'll be able to see the gray restrictor clip if you look closely in the corner. Here's a comparison of a hinge with and without a restrictor clip installed.